Hello, greetings to every one of you beautiful souls. Let's learn this head wrap together. I welcome you all my subscribers, both new and old ones. Welcome back. So you saw what I did there. The material on my hand is Seiko material. Then the division is 50-50. I divided it to equal half. Then taking some plates, 4 plates in the front, I took everything to the back. Then I started twisting both handles. See what I'm doing? I twisted both of them together, twisted it together. Then I raised it up. Raising it up, making sure it did not cover the pleated part. What did I do? I folded one part, just take some inches inside, drag it down, then use office pin to pin it to the base of that head wrap. Pin it on one of those pleated parts, and that will make that particular side very firm, as you can see now. So raising it up, then this other side now, I will drag it out and make sure I stretch everything out. Then taking it down, watch closely what I am doing. I pin it there. Then I'll bring the two edges together and pin. Our first style is ready. Please don't go away. I have 3 styles to show you here. Just one base and you can use it to form 3 beautiful styles. Okay, so the first style is getting ready. I brought the 2 edges together and pin. Then I will adjust it to my taste. So if this is the first time you're coming across my video and channel, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igele Empire. So please do well to connect with my channel. Drop your like on my videos, drop your comments, above all practice, and also share my video. And you that is watching me now, don't just watch and walk away. Please do well to connect with my channel. So you can see it, the first style is ready. I'm only pinning and adjusting it so that I will get the desired shape that I want. So that is it. The first style is getting ready. So you have to touch anywhere that is not good enough. Bring it down and use pin to hold it so you can see. So let's close the back now. This is what the back look like. So this is how you close the back. You raise the excess up, then you fold it inside and bring everything down. So picking my office pin now, I will pin that particular place I press down so that those excesses you fold in will not lose. So that is what the back look like. Beautiful. Our first style is ready. So that is it. Isn't it cute? Isn't it conventional? Isn't it beautiful head wrap that suits every occasion? As I said before, please don't go away. I have 3 styles to show you. That is the first one. So losing everything now, removing the pins that I use on it. I wash now. Then this one now, I twisted everything, leaving just one. Remember, it's 2 that I twisted together. So I twisted one part of it. I twisted everything, then taking it down, I use office pin. Yes, I use office pin to make sure I secure that base, making it very firm. So I use my office pin to hold that place now. So we are left with just one to work on. All right, so stretching everything out, I took one of the tip down, I drag it down, then pin it on that particular side that I twisted. You can see, you can use what is it called, ashoke, for this particular style. It will stand, though my Seiko material I'm using is getting a little bit weak and the breeze from outside is really disturbing the head wrap. Alright, so pinning it You can see adjust it very well, and this side I'm holding now is meant to stand very firm. Okay, so you can see now what it looks like. Isn't it easy and simple but yet conventional? So that is the second style. That is the second style we have here. That is the second style. So remaining the last one, please don't go away. So just remove the pin, this other side that we drag that, remove the pin and rotate it. Just rotate it and use it to form a beautiful rose that have a tip. A rose that have a tip. So rotate it, then picking your office pin and you pin it together. Pin it together. Our third style is ready. It's just for me to adjust it. You can see, just adjust it, adjust it, adjust. All right, so that place my hand is now. Okay, now there on the base of the you can use office pin to hold it. That place I'm pointing now, you can use pin to pin it down. If you don't mind, if your head wrap material is still very strong, it will stand very well. You might not really need the pin. Okay, so you decorate further using your hair accessories. All right, as I said before, our third style is ready. Isn't it beautiful? So the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igele Empire. I welcome you all my subscribers. Thank you so much, those of you that have been sharing my video. I love you all. See you in my next video.